So we have more confirmation related to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 that might be makes you sad. According to Ross Young tweet, and according to him, only one Fold 6 panel for launch, although there could be a lower cost version without a digitizer later. So before some leaks say that Samsung Galaxy's A Fold 6 Ultra and Fold 6 cheaper version also come, but it's not truth. There's going to be no Fold 6 Ultra or no cheaper Fold 6 at the launch event. According to Crow tweet, according to him, Samsung has decided to bring some updates to the external display, so we expect accurate external display and brightness. The brightness of the phone is 2,600 nits of peak brightness that we have on the S24 Ultra. And according to news on the internal display of the phone, we have the more durable and more brighter screen. We have another tweet from Crow. And according to him, Samsung are testing the Z Fold 6 camera with a 100 megapixel and a 50 map sensor. But unfortunately, the camera increased resolution is not appear in the full base model. Camera increase only happening in the Z Fold 6 Ultra. We have another tweet from the Ross Young. In this tweet, they confirm the standard color option of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. We have silver shadow color, dark blue, and new light pink color. There's going to be a couple of online exclusive colors. So Samsung has not changed the phone design. They focus phone performance, phone software, and user experience. So it's all if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe and follow me on Instagram.